He don't mess around, does he? These guys love them scallops, huh?
Yeah. And I don't have to cut it up or nothing.
Nice. Look at you. Look at you. You got your whole elbow. Jeez. Got your whole elbow protective glove on.
Yeah, don't get you my hands all smelly.
Where's Brutus? See if he...
He's over there right now.
Look at them big old pieces of scallops. What else you got in there?
All scallops.
That's all scallops?
$30 a pound.
Wow.
And I was probably fed about 25 pounds.
Wow.
If not more. There's a lot in here.
And they're big. Look at them pieces. Big, juicy, chunky pieces. These fish would never eat like this if it wasn't for...
Fish Market.
What is it?
Shaker's Fish Market.
I'm sorry, what?
Shaker's Fish Market.
I know, thank you. Oh, even the Lord's excited. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. You want on the video too? Aw, love you. Okay, guys, it's been running for about an hour now. Nice and clean and clear. You can see it nice and clean. You can see the rocks and the gravel through here. So, give it another day or two or three, and it'll be clear in the back pond. You know, the filter's back working again. It's the first time we've had to clear it out. And thank Joshy for doing that. Anyways, here we are, and, you know, it'll clear up pretty soon. Looks like Jerry's going to throw some food. Oh, look at that. There they go. Yeah. Here they all come running to the center, and they'll come up from the bottom. Next thing you know, there'll be just too many of them. Look at them go. Oh, here's some more. Oh, no. Turn around. Yeah, let's see if we can see some paddlefish coming up. But, you know, all this filter working now to start, you know, it did great for 2 years. And we had to clean it this year. That's all. And it was bad. When you saw it, it was murky. It was bad. All right, so here we are. It's Big Rich, the How Fish Rescue. And today we got a really, really good treat for you. Reaper showed up, and Reap's sitting here. And there's something, you look a little younger, Reap. There's something different about you. What's up? Look at that. You got your teeth. You got your teeth. You're a young man again.
I can smile again. I got to learn to talk all over, but...
Yeah. It does that. And then...
I love it.
It's awesome. It's awesome. Got to make you feel better. Got to make all around. Yes. And now...
It just made me so... I don't know. Like, behind the scenes was behind the scenes. I hate it when you film me and stuff. Now, I don't care.
Cool. Okay, now there's also something else. Something else you got to tell us. You know, we've been in the dark for a while.
I know. In one day, two good things. And actually... Everybody was, I mean, my brother and them, they were more awed for the second, which we're about to show. Personally, I was more, after 3 years, because it was a pandemic when all that crap happened.
Yeah.
And then it closed down, and you and I started working together right then and there. And then I couldn't get the tea, so I'm happy. But especially the woman who did the mermaid thing with us.
Oh yeah, there's that whole situation.
Right.
You got that lady. She donated $3,000
right, for you, me, and Josh.
Well, no. That was a different time.
Right.
And then she donated $3,000 to you to get your car.
Right.
So we started up a GoFundMe, and that was what, a month and a half ago. Mm-hmm. Something like that. More than 2 months ago?
Yeah.
So you've been not putting us off, but you've been car hunting selectively.
Right. And
to get the best deal.
She didn't think I was really doing it. So I took my phone out the day that I brought home and I showed her, and it went back 16 weeks on these different cars.
Wow.
You know? And
well, let's see what we're talking about here. So obviously you must have picked up a car.
So we had 68. We had 6830 basically.
Was from the GoFundMe.
And my brother,
no. That was the GoFundMe and her money. come up to?
Right.
68.30.
68.30. And then I got it up to 7, basically. And then my brother took care of the rest.
Really? Nice. And you got, look at this.
It's a Ford Focus. It's nothing fancy. They just did a little thing on the front, you know. But
A little stripe down the center. Does that mean it goes fast now?
No.
Is that 4-cylinder, obviously?
It is. Yeah.
Okay, so you got a Ford Focus ST, but here's the kicker, guys. 2015. And it's really nice all the way around. That needs a wash. You got some bird stuff on there.
Yeah, it does need a wash.
He's got his temp tag in the window.
Look at that.
Oh, a huge trunk.
Look at that. Look at that.
Wow.
And the seats go down, so
You can haul 2x4s and stuff.
Yeah.
And
Those hatchbacks they were smaller than my other car.
right.
Man.
I don't see no dents yet.
There is a couple little small ones here and there, a little scratch. There's like one right here.
Oh, these can come out with the dent wizard.
You know, and there's 2 little dings. I never seen that till then.
That's a nice looking car.
But
Let's see the interior.
he wanted 79, and I talked him down to 75. I wanted 73, but he wouldn't, you know. So it is a one-owner car. You know, I got the Carfax on it and everything, so,
Awesome.
you know, 30-some miles to the gallon.
Right. Yeah, that's awesome. That's nice.
That's what I need.
How did it drive on the highway coming over here?
Well, you know, everybody asks me that, and I drive that Pontiac. Anything drives better.
Yeah. Okay, I'll give you that. So this was a Cadillac coming over.
The worst thing was this mirror is cracked, and he bought one, and he's mailing it to me.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it came in, and he's like, "Well, I got it. I was going to fix it, so I'll give it to you." I'm
Awesome.
like, well, thank you. You know, does have backup like yours. You know, backup camera and shit.
Nice.
Bluetooth and stuff.
Nice.
So I mean, it doesn't have electric seats.
So now you can sell your other car and maybe get $200.
It's not mine anyways.
I'm just being funny.
We only paid $350 for it.
Ah, got it.
So
It served its purpose.
it did.
So now you got a nice ride.
And then when I got down there, the whole thing was I was here, remember? I was here. We were taking care of business, and Becky called and said that car's still available. You're like, dude, you can't
Leave
lose
now.
it. Right. So I made that call, and they're like, we'll be here. So I went down there, and as I get down there, there's a railroad train, and I'm stuck. Now, what pulls up behind me? It's so distinctive because of that front end.
Right.
It pulled up.
Oh, this car pulled up behind you?
Yes.
They were giving somebody else a test drive.
Yes.
Oh,
I'm
no.
like, oh my God, somebody else is driving it. So we were there for 10 minutes. I called them up. Now I'm late. So I called them up. I don't know who's in the car, you know, if it's them going there maybe.
Right.
Or what. I didn't know how this worked. So I called them, and she's like, oh, no problem. I know where that's at. Yeah, the trains are there, and that's okay because somebody else came and they're test driving it. I says, I know, they're behind me.
Oh, no.
So the train went, and I left, and I let them get in front of me, and I followed them, basically. And then they pulled in. I pulled in, and then I just got out of my car, and the dude was there.
Did you block it in with your car?
No. And it's like 6 Hindu or Indians, and in their 20s. And they liked it. And I'm like, oh, man, I'm not going to get the car. I did it again. I lost it. And
Well, you lost
finally,
like 8 cars in the last 2
I
weeks.
know. Finally, the guy came out, and he's doing something. And I came up to him, and I kind of did, you know. I'm like, look, I don't know if they made you an offer or not. He goes, they're still talking. They might have to call mom and dad. And I says, they're financing? Yeah, they'll have to finance probably. I says, well, I don't need financing. I got the money, and let's close this deal. He goes, well, see what we do. And I went back down, sat. He come back out with the keys. Says, here, take it for a ride.
Oh, nice.
So by the time I came back, they were gone, and I made them the offer. The next morning, I went by, picked it up.
Nice. It's nice when things work out. So we're going to give a big thank you to the anonymous lady that donated the $3,000. I mean, she's just a sweetheart of a lady, and she don't want to be, you know, known on the internet. So we're going to keep that hidden for her. And but thank you so much for that. And I mean, This guy's been driving that $300 car for, what, 4 years or something?
Thank you to my brother John for covering all the rest, and it's getting taken in, and because he just bought 2 new cars at Cleveland, so he knows them, and they're going to do a complete check through on this thing. There was
It's a Ford
recall.
dealership.
Yeah, it's a Ford dealership, and there was a couple recalls for different things. They're going to take care of that all for free and clean it up and everything, and it ain't going to cost me a penny.
Nice.
So,
Well, then we also got to thank all of our fishy friends.
everybody who donated.
Yeah,
thank
they
you,
come up
everybody.
with over $3,000 on a GoFundMe to help you
Everybody
get a
who
car.
even put $5, $1 in, it wouldn't have got to $6 grand without everybody donating.
Yeah, that was
Especially
amazing
our
of you
lady
guys.
friend.
You guys are just amazing.
Yes.
I tell everybody about our fishy family and how everybody's so awesome.
Right.
So now you have no excuses on these on showing up here.
Well, you see, I got these. Now I'm going. As soon as we take care of this, then I got to go get these.
Your glasses?
No, ears. I'm getting.
You getting hearing aids?
Yeah.
Wow.
I can't hear you guys half the time. I don't hear nobody in the van when we're taking a crew down. If they laugh, I laugh.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Wow.
Sometimes I'm not hearing stuff anymore.
Wow.
I just fake it. So.
Well, let's hear this thing start up.
Oh wait. Like always, I left them in here.
Nice. I didn't hear any ticking, nothing. Running smooth.
They're gonna even check that out and everything. They're gonna make sure everything's good.
Oh, wow.
See the silver there? There's no rust. There's nothing underneath. It's like brand new.
Really?
Get it? Yeah.
Well, you're used to driving a car that was all rust and you can show people the spots of paint. Look, there's still paint on the back door.
Yeah. I mean, there is. This thing is so clean underneath. It's unbelievable.
Wow. I like how they tried making a Ford Focus sporty.
Yeah, I know. That's
You
my
need,
brother.
You need a little hood scoop now.
My brother, he's like, oh, they wanted a wannabe Mustang out
Yeah.
or something. And even Dawn, she goes, that's why you bought it. I go, nope.
Nope.
Ford Focus. The years, I had a filter. I had years, how much we wanted to spend.
Well, look at it this way. You got a
and
2015,
right,
which is
7.5 years.
7.5 years old,
Yeah.
and you got it for, what was 70, 75, 73?
75 plus
7,500.
taxes.
Yeah, you can't beat that.
Oh,
So, just because of the year, it's going to last a while now.
yep. I like it.
Well, look at it this way. I bought mine with 4,000 miles on it, and it was a 2018. And now you're up here in my neighborhood with a 2015. Look at you go.
Real nice.
Well, I'm glad you're happy. I'm sure all you guys out there are going to be glad he's happy. And now he has no excuse not to show up here. And that's the biggest thing.
I'm getting old. I'll think of something. Don't worry.
Yeah, right. Oh, no. So, we're going to go in now. I got to take care of Tracy. Oh, we had a nurse come by here for a meet and greet today.
Yeah.
She wants to
nice.
work.
How'd that go?
She was a very nice lady, and she wants to work 2 days a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays. All right, so there he goes. He got new teeth, new car, a new man. Getting ready to go.
I can roll the window down.
Oh, you got remote windows too. Oh, that's right. Your car didn't roll down at all.
No.
Right. Wow.
We had to fix the air conditioning because I was trying it.
Right.
That still works.
That still works on a $300 beater.
We fixed the air.
Nothing else works, but the air still works.
The air works. This one works great. It's awesome. In fact, just now, if I go through to get Tracy's stuff, and if I'm in my car, I gotta open my door. Any drive-through, I gotta open my door. I went up, I'm getting ready to open my door. And I'm like, no, I got a window that works.
Right. All right, buddy. I'll see you later.
All right, man. I'll see you tomorrow.
All right. So now when you leave like a 50-foot posi shot.
Yeah, right.
Show us what that Ford Focus can do, son. He'll bark one tire for about 2 foot. That's it. A nice looking little car, though. Nice and quiet. I hear no noises on it. He's a happy man for sure. He's a happy man. Got his new teeth, got his new car. He's a new man for sure. All right, guys. We get to vacuum this and take it back in today. Remember, we had the water leak from the fish tank. We overfilled it, so we brought it out here. Now all this white stuff that's floating through the air landed on it. So we got to vacuum that off, and we can bring it back in. And the living room, or our dining room here, we'll be back together. So thank you for watching. Thank you for hanging out with us. And till next video, stay fishy, my friends.